EPCB is a world-renowned industrial boiler manufacturer, and the reciprocating Grate biomass boiler is one of its star products. It adopts a horizontal double-drum structure in a large reciprocating Grate furnace. This series of boilers has the characteristics of strong fuel adaptability, small footprint, easy installation, and high thermal efficiency. The main components of the boiler body include drums, water-cooled walls, furnaces, grates, furnace wall, etc. The boiler system customized by EPCB can effectively improve the thermal efficiency. The fuel supply, ash removal and slag removal during the operation of the boiler are highly automated, which can reduce the user's operation and maintenance costs. The large capacity furnace reduces the heat load and avoids coking in the furnace. The fine ash generated by fuel combustion is discharged out of the furnace through a carefully designed ash removal device, ensuring the safe operation of the boiler. The air required for combustion is sent into the independent wind chamber by the EPCB blower, and enters the furnace through the grate to exchange heat with the fuel for combustion. The high-temperature flue gas generated by combustion enters the air convection section, and then enters the coal-saving air section to reduce the flue gas temperature to the exhaust temperature. Finally, it enters the cyclone dust collector. The energy-saving and environmental protection effect is significant. The soft water generated by water treatment enters the soft water tank and is pumped to the deaerator by a water pump. The water is pumped to the economizer by a water feed pump to absorb the heat of flue gas. Then it enters the steam drum. The steam-water mixture generated by the heat exchange between the furnace water-cooled wall and the convection heating surface enters the steam drum after passing through the steam-water separator in the steam drum. High-quality steam is sent to the steam distributor through the main steam pipeline, and is distributed to each workshop by the steam distributor under the premise of ensuring safety and reducing costs. Start your energy-efficient, eco-friendly boiler system solution today. Contact us.